Hello kids, welcome to Phonics Adventure.
Today we will learn letter sounds together.
And I love making funny sounds. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah.
Great, let's start learning. Which letter is this? This A. A says apple. Apple. Which letter is this? B. Ball. Ball. Which letter is this? C. C says cat. Cat. Now it's quiz time. What sound? Apple. What sound? Ball. Now which sound is this? Cat. Great job, kids. Amazing job, kids. Learning phonics is a fun.
Let's learn more letters next time.
See you in the next phonics adventure. Bye, kids.